So we're on to the finalists in Category 3 now, projects with a value between $5 million and $20 million. The highly commended award goes to Brian Perry Civil, Mount Albert Sludge Pipeline Repair.
Brian Perry Civil for Mount Albert Sludge Pipeline Repair. 2 critical sludge pipes collapsed deep in a Wellington tunnel, which meant trucks had to transport sludge 24/7 around the capital's south coast at a weekly cost to ratepayers of $600,000. Both ruptured pipes were encased in a concrete surround, and the tunnel had only one access shaft.
Just looking at the competition up there, I was absolutely shocked that I'm standing up here now, but just a massive thanks to the judges and to CCNZ and Hirepool. Big thanks to Wellington Water. Obviously, very high-profile job. There was a lot at stake, and they put faith in us to deliver it. And I think we did it proud. Big thanks as well to the guys at Stantec. We couldn't have asked for a better, more collaborative consultant. We had a problem. We had to basically work together to try and fix it, and couldn't have asked for a better group of guys. Massive thanks as well to all our subcontractors. Hadley and Brunton pulled a lot of strings during COVID. They brought materials, they brought resources out of Germany that without them this job wouldn't have been possible. And then, of course, last but not least, massive thanks to my own team. You can probably see in the pictures up there, not the most desirable place you want to be working, down in a sewer tunnel. The guys turned up every day, showed willing, and we pulled it off. So thanks very much. Cheers.